Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is lesson 558. The title of today's lesson is the difference between satisfying and satisfactory. Okay, somebody wants a screenshot, do it right now. Let's get right to it. If something is satisfying, it gives pleasure or contentment. It makes one feel content. It appeases a desire or urge. So you have a desire for something or an urge something, and it kind of satisfies that desire or satisfies that urge. So it is satisfying. A satisfying meal has made you feel that you have eaten enough. Yeah, we use it a lot in this way. So in this sense, your desire for hunger has been taken care of. It has satisfied that. So it was a very satisfying meal. All right, let's continue. If something is satisfactory, it is good enough, suitable, acceptable, or fulfills a need or a purpose. So it's very different. It's about being good enough or having, a good enough quality for the purpose. All right, and we got several examples here to show just how it's used. Again, with the X, it's wrong. With the check, it's correct. I would like more, but the salary they offered is satisfying. No. I would like more, but the salary they offered is satisfactory. So here with the check, this is correct. So it means it's good enough. Of course, everybody would always like more, but this is good enough. It's acceptable. You could take it. So in this case, you should be using satisfactory. All right, we have a couple of examples here where you could use both, but they have very different meanings. That was a satisfying meal. Again, it means that the meal contented you, the meal made it to the point so that you are not hungry anymore. It satisfied you. That was a satisfactory meal. That means, well, it's good enough. It's kind of okay. It was kind of so-so. So if you're at somebody's house, you got to be careful which one of these you say. If you say it was a satisfactory meal, that's almost an insult. It means, it was kind of a so-so meal. It's good enough. Could have been better. Kind of has that feeling. But that was a satisfying meal would be a compliment. That would mean that, the person gave you more than enough food or offered you more, that you were a good host, you offered more than enough food, that now your stomach is content. Okay, let's continue. All right, here's another example with the X in the check. So X is wrong. His grades are satisfying to be accepted in our university. No, you're not fulfilling a pleasure here. His grades are satisfactory. I mean, they're good enough. They're at an acceptable level. So it fulfills that need, in order to be accepted at this university. So here, of course, satisfactory would be correct, not satisfying. And then here's one more example where it could be said both ways, but has very different meaning. That was a satisfying massage. Satisfying meaning it made you feel pleasure. It was good. It made your body feel good. That was a satisfactory massage. Again, if you were saying this to your masseuse, it would not really be a compliment. It's just kind of it's okay, so. It was acceptable enough, but satisfying would be a real compliment. It would mean that it got rid of your aches and pains, made your body feel real good. This just means it was good enough. Kind of did the job. Okay, anyway. I hope you got it. I hope it was clear. I hope it was very informative. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.